we're gonna stop at this like a famous intersection because Route 66 has become a kind of a tourist attraction. Hey, I'm at this famous Clines Corner truck stop here in New Mexico. It's famous because it used to be Route 66 four-way intersection. There's just a stop sign there. A lot of car accidents, a lot of people get killed at this intersection, so it's become kind of a cult truck stop. So let's go check out the inside of this place. All right. All right, let's check this place out. A little carved cowboy there. Carved Indian. Ah, it was some southwestern ponchos. Candy counter. Birthday cake fudge. Yum. Dream catchers, saltwater taffy. Look at the buffalo head up there. Colored rocks, amethyst. You know, those are popular now. Incense holder. Cool little horses. Dog in a cup, cat in a cup, pig in a cup. Those are cute. Ah, you remember these? And tons of shirts. Oh, check out this alien shirt. That one's cool. Roswell. Ants in your pants. A gag corner. Warts. Bullet holes. Fake chocolate. Glow maggots. Gross Sasquatch snot. Fake ketchup. And some more toys. This is a slide whistle. Bike horn. Why would you need a bike horn out here? Pinball games. I used to love these when I was a little kid. Before cell phones and video games, there was these stupid toys. Gazoo. And a pink Indian headdress and a little Indian doll. Cute. Look at these, a little more elaborate. Butter dish is nice. Clines Corner memorabilia, Route 66. Wooden signs here. Pretty lady sitting on a Chevy. Shot glasses for you shot glass people. More gifts here than I've ever seen in a truck stop. Knives, jewelry, a lot of turquoise jewelry. Pocket knives with your name on it. Even got tiles with numbers and designs on them. Welcome. Those are nice. New Mexico. Look at this one. Clines Corner. I like that. 34 Ford on there. For 66. Nice thing about the tiles, if you don't break it, it'll last a long time. Dream catchers, stuff in cases. Oh, voodoo Indian dolls, I guess. Witch doctor dolls. Bottle opener. Wallets. A handful of titties. Davy Crockett hat. Let's see what this looks like. What do you think? Davy Crockett? Gun holsters, of course. Those are cool. The skeletons on 'em. Lots of coffee cups. $12. Kind of expensive. Look at these skeletons here. These are neat. And these are like Halloween oriented. Cute little toys. Or curios. Look at the cat. Chili peppers for your Christmas tree. Hey, jackalope piggy bank. Who doesn't need that? I like the bear. Multicolored. And Sasquatch. Look at the snake. Wow, those look pretty real. Armadillo. That one's scary. Another cool wolf colored. Alien shirt, that's pretty neat. Another alien shirt. Those look like from that company called The Mountain. They make neat shirts. Look at this Rastafari alien, that's hilarious. He's got a doobie in his mouth. Another one. Medicine Man. Gonna have to do this just for because it's an alien. It's an alien fortune teller. Let's check this out.
Do you ever think deep thoughts? I do. Right now, out there in the universe, there is an alien just like me, in his ship, farting. Here's a little tip about alien abduction from me to you. We're not here to take your cows. We're here for your women.
They're here for
Welcome
our
to
women.
Clines Corner. We're open 24/7 on the old Route 66.
That's pretty funny. There's cow horns up here too.
Yes, you. Come on over and let Zoltar be sharing with you your fortune.
That?
It's a toilet, or what do you call them, an outhouse.
You have to pay it to do something?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, you gotta pay. It does something. For a good time, open the door. Check out all these fireworks. You definitely can't buy this stuff in California. Wild West. Festival Ball. These are some serious fireworks here. The Iceman. $70 for the Iceman. Wolf Pat. Bait and hook. Some neat little shirts here for Indian ladies and horses on them. Cowboy boots with ostrich skin on them. And Postcard Central. Another jackalope. Rattlesnakes. Roadrunner. Mimi. Route 66. Like the jackalope. I had one of those when I was a little kid. Postcard, that is, not a jackalope. There's all the creatures. Mermaids in a cup. Those are pretty. Wouldn't mind having a little mermaid in a cup. Butterfly chimes. Is a cute cactus corner. And the lizards. The lizards are kind of wild looking. Caution, please do not feed Bigfoot. Salt and pepper shakers. Christmas tree. Bells, chimes. And look at all these. All sorts of ceramic tchotchkes here. This place has a lot of things in it, as you can see. Look at the zombie couple. Prom king and queen. I like that. And salt and pepper Frankenstein. Or Dracula, I should say. That's kind of interesting. And Shot Glass Central. Hot air balloons and ceramic ones. Ugh, scorpion keychain. No thanks. Some stickers of aliens. They're really taking advantage of Roswell for sure. Marketing. Roswell. What do you guys think? Think there's aliens out there? I definitely do. How could we be the only people out here in this galaxy? Hot air balloon. Lots of cups. More trinkets than you could imagine. If you're a collector, you come in here and walk out broke. There's a Harley one. You Harley lovers. New Mexico. My daughter's gonna squish a penny. Keep going, keep going.
No, but I want that one.
Oh.
Oh, I think it's like random. Yeah, it's random. See, I got the weird Texas 160.
Oh, you put your money in. After
Oh, I got the one I wanted.
Oh, awesome.
And remember, many times in life, people show you exactly who they are. If you're paying attention, then you have no excuses. You can make an informed decision. Do they stay in your life or do they go? Just remember, not everyone that comes into your life was meant to stay.
That's that. Well, what did you think of Clines Corner gift store? Truck stop / take all your money out of your pocket. Alright, we'll see you on the next journey. Thanks for watching.